How was your day?
How was your day?
How was your day?
How was your day?
My day was great, thank you.
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 What did you do today?
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 I went to the park.
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 That sounds lovely.
That sounds lovely.
That sounds lovely.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, it was very relaxing.
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 Will you go again tomorrow?
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 I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
Let me know if you do.
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 I will, thank you.
I will, thank you.
I will, thank you.
I will, thank you.
What are you reading right now?
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 I'm reading Harry Potter.
I'm reading Harry Potter.
I'm reading Harry Potter.
I'm reading Harry Potter.
That's a great book.
That's a great book.
That's a great book.
That's a great book.
Yes, I'm really enjoying it.
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 Who's your favorite character?
Who's your favorite character?
Who's your favorite character?
Who's your favorite character?
I love Hermione.
I love Hermione.
I love Hermione.
I love Hermione.
She's very smart.
She's very smart.
She's very smart.
She's very smart.
Yes, she really is.
Yes, she really is.
Yes, she really is.
Yes, she really is.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, you too.
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
I love basketball.
I love basketball.
I love basketball.
I love basketball.
Do you play often?
Do you play often?
Do you play often?
Do you play often?
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, every weekend.
Yes, every weekend.
That's great exercise.
That's great exercise.
That's great exercise.
That's great exercise.
Do you watch games on TV?
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 Yes, whenever I can.
Yes, whenever I can.
Yes, whenever I can.
Yes, whenever I can.
Who's your favorite team?
Who's your favorite team?
Who's your favorite team?
Who's your favorite team?
I love the Lakers.
I love the Lakers.
I love the Lakers.
I love the Lakers.
Do you watch basketball too?
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 Yes, I'm a big fan.
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 Who's your favorite player?
Who's your favorite player?
Who's your favorite player?
Who's your favorite player?
I love LeBron James.
I love LeBron James.
I love LeBron James.
I love LeBron James.
He's very talented.
He's very talented.
He's very talented.
He's very talented.
Yes, he really is.
Yes, he really is.
Yes, he really is.
Yes, he really is.
Have a great game.
Have a great game.
Have a great game.
Have a great game.
Thank you. Enjoy the game too.
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 See you next game.
See you next game.
See you next game.
See you next game.
Yes, see you then.
Yes, see you then.
Yes, see you then.
Yes, see you then.
What's your favorite song?
What's your favorite song?
What's your favorite song?
What's your favorite song?
I love Imagine by John Lennon.
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 It's a beautiful song.
It's a beautiful song.
It's a beautiful song.
It's a beautiful song.
Yes, it really is.
Yes, it really is.
Yes, it really is.
Yes, it really is.
What genre of music do you like?
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 I enjoy rock music.
I enjoy rock music.
I enjoy rock music.
I enjoy rock music.
Who's your favorite band?
Who's your favorite band?
Who's your favorite band?
Who's your favorite band?
I love the Beatles.
I love the Beatles.
I love the Beatles.
I love the Beatles.
They're legendary.
They're legendary.
They're legendary.
They're legendary.
Yes, they really are.
Yes, they really are.
Yes, they really are.
Yes, they really are.